In this video, we are going to explore the third aspect of our research tool, which is the domains. The main domain being lip reading and all of the related domains. This is the main page for the domains, which begins with this forced graph. It is built using D3 JavaScript library. We have also other visualizations like this clustered view, where um, each smaller node clusters around a node in the same group based on you can see from the color, the smaller nodes cluster around a larger node in the same domain group. The size of the domains are determined by how often this domain has been mentioned in the papers in our database. We can also see the clusters with names visible, like so. We will talk a little bit more about the visualization on the first of the visualizations here, which is a forced graph, because it also not only shows the domain, but also the links between the domains. As we can see by hovering over the links, you can see here, this link is between chatbot and natural language processing, and a tooltip appears showing what the link actually is. And we can even click the link to go to the links page, where we see the details of the link. The description is yet to be added, but it can be easily done. And we have links page for each of the links that we see on the display here. And if we click in one of the circles here, the circles here also are sized based on the number of mentions the domain gets in the papers in our database. Let's click one of the domains here, machine learning. You can also click deep learning. Let's click machine learning as an example. It takes us to the domain's show page, like so, where the details of the domains, including the challenges in domains, and the strengths and opportunities, including research and job opportunities in the domain, which are currently available, are listed here. This listing comes from Euraccess EU, which is one of the most popular listing sites, and it lists availabilities and opportunities in all European countries, including the UK. And these links, they lead us to the actual page where we can apply for that opportunity. We can also connect any of these circles to each other. Like, for example, if you want to connect the optical character recognition to computer vision, I'll just have to go to my options here. Connect domains. Domain 1, optical character recognition. Domain 2, computer vision. Link type. Optical character recognition is for derives knowledge from. This is just an example. And they have a very strong link, let's say 7. And description. Save it. Let's go back to the visualization and see. Computer vision and optical character recognition here have been linked, and with each links, the grouping of this force graph changes. We are not going to go into the details of how the grouping happens, but the general idea is the stronger the links between the domains, the closer they are to each other. The weaker the link, the further apart they are, and also it affects the thickness of the connection lines. Like, for example, this one, the very long line between computer vision and reinforcement learning is an example that shows um, it's a very weak link, and that is all about the domains. Thank you very much.